Today I'm out in Santan Valley, a little bit further out. But the reason, why do we usually go a little bit further out from where we work, from where our family is? Price point, right? Monthly payments. So today I'm out in Santan Valley. We're in a community called Quail Ranch. Quail Ranch is a great community for entry level, get the lower price, get the lower monthly payments. Right now we have incredible, massive incentives that builders are offering. We're gonna look today at the Easton floor plan, which is 1,697 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Watch the walkthrough all the way through. At the end, leave some comments if you have questions on pricing, if you have questions on incentives. These things change weekly. So, you know, sometimes they're dropping the price down and they're giving less incentives. Sometimes the price stays up and they give more incentives. Usually buyers are trying to find the best monthly payment and the builders are working really hard to help you find that. Comment down below, watch the walkthrough, and then let me know if you have any questions. Okay, as we finish up here, remember we're at the Easton floor plan out in Quail Ranch in Santan Valley. 1,697 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, very spacious home. The floor plan is laid out real well. You got your great room over here and your dining area and your kitchen all in one big room, a nice sized primary suite and bathroom and a good sized master closet, and 3 other bedrooms. So again, out here at Quail Ranch, price is your motive. You're a little bit farther out from town, but you're going to get a better price, so have a lower monthly payment. Remember to bring your agent with you on your first trip out to the community so you can get representation, so we can help you negotiate, get the price lower, get your payments lower, get you more incentives, get you some extra appliances and stuff like that that you may not get without us. If you come out here without an agent, you're going to have a hard time at that point getting them to let you have representation. So always keep that in mind. If you have questions about today's current pricing, today's current incentives that they're offering, make sure to reach out to me. You can comment down below, or you can text me at 480-588-2281. Again, that's 480-588-2281. I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group, brokered by Real Broker. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.